Good afternoon. Okay. See, yesterday's class we are discussing how to integrate quadratic functions, isn't it? We discussed about how to integrate some quadratic functions. Okay. So let us do one more question in that form. And today we are going to start with the new one, linear by quadratic form. Linear by quadratic. That one we can discuss after doing one more question. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, let the others join. Till that we do one more question. Write the question. Integral of, write this question. Integrate integral of 1 by root of, can you see the board? 7 minus 3x minus 2x square into dx. Integral of 1 by root of 7 minus 3x minus 2x square. So whenever you are given a function like this, first you take the function inside the root, 7 minus 3x minus 2x square. So we can write this as, we can rewrite it as minus 2x square minus 3x plus 7, isn't it? The first step is we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. But here the coefficient of x square is minus 2. So what we can do, we can take one minus 2 outside. So we'll get x square plus 3 by 2x minus 7 by 2. We make the coefficient of x square as 1. For that, we can take one negative 2 as common. So you get x square plus 3 by 2x minus 7 by 2. Now, the next step, half the coefficient of x you add and subtract. What is half the coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x is 3 by 2. Half of it means 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, isn't it? So it will become plus 3 by 4 the whole square minus 3 by 4 the whole square minus 7 by 2. So it is same as minus 2 into, by taking the first 3 terms, we can write this as x plus 3 by 4 the whole square minus 9 by 16 minus 7 by 2. Okay, so we can write this as minus 2 into x plus 3 by 4 the whole square minus, here you can take the common denominator 16, isn't it? So if you add this, 56 plus 9. What is 56 plus 9? 56 plus 9 is it 65? So it is negative 65 by 16. So 2, let it be there itself. You take negative inside. So we can write this as root of 65 by 4 the whole square minus x plus 3 by 4 the whole square. We take the negative inside and we write like this. Okay, minus is outside. So when you take it, it will become root of 65 by 4 the whole square. Now substitute this in I. I will be integral of 1 by root of 2 into root 65 by 4 the whole square minus x plus 3 by 4 the whole square. So this 2 we can take outside. Okay, we can take the 2 outside. If we take 2 outside, what you will get? 1 by root 2 into integral of 1 by root of 65 by 4 the whole square minus x plus 3 by 4 the whole square into dx. So it takes the form integral of 1 by root of a square minus x square. Integral 1 by root of a square minus x square. So it is same as 1 by root 2. What is integral root of a square minus x square? It is sine inverse of x by a. So x plus 3 by 4 by is root 65 by 4 plus c. Again, if you take the LCM and simplify, we get this as 1 by root 2 sine inverse of 4x plus 3 by root 65 plus C sine inverse of 4x plus 3 by root 65 plus C. So this is quadratic, okay, 1 by root of quadratic form. Okay, is it okay? Okay, so this is the method we learned yesterday. Whenever we get the questions in the form dx by quadratic, root of quadratic, dx by root of quadratic. Today we are going to start with the new method. Write the heading. Write the heading, very important. This is a 4-mark question. Okay, okay, it's of marks of higher order. That is 4 mark or 5-mark question. Okay, write this one. Integrals of the form linear by root of quadratic. Integrals of the form linear. Two forms are there: linear by quadratic or linear by root of quadratic. Or linear by root of quadratic. Linear by quadratic or linear by root of quadratic. So in this case, what you will do, listen children, in both the cases, suppose, okay, suppose it is linear or numerator. Okay, so linear means sometimes we can write this also, ax plus b by quadratic means we write this px square plus qx plus r into dx, or ax plus b by root of quadratic, that is px square plus qx plus c. Linear by quadratic or linear by root of quadratic. In this case, we take this as, listen children, numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b. This is the format. In this case, what you will do, numerator is linear function is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. Numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. Yes.
What is the heading of the heading?
Heading in that, it is the same thing, some special functions, rational functions. All these things will be coming in the same exercise. I think it is 7.4 or 7.5. Everything will be in the same exercise.
Ma'am.
Yes.
What is A and B?
Huh?
A and B.
A and B are constants. A and B are constants. Numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b. What about a and b? A and b are constants. These constants we have to find out. Okay. When we do the problem, it will become more clear. Write the question. Write the question. Yes.
Not completely.
Okay. Is it over? Dia? Achyut?
One more.
Okay. Now write the question. Evaluate the following. evaluate the following. So under that first one, integral of x by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Integral of x by x square plus x plus 1. Listen, children. So first we name this function as I. I is equal to x by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. So look at this. Once we give the questions are given, means first you have to identify. Look at, okay, here it is x by linear by, what is the function in the denominator? Quadratic. It is of the form linear by quadratic. If it is in the form linear by quadratic, what is the method we have learned? If it is linear by quadratic, what is the method we learned? Numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b, isn't it? So what is in the numerator? Numerator x is equal to a into derivative of denominator. If you differentiate the denominator, what you will get? What is derivative of x square? 2x plus 1 plus b. We want to find a and b. Listen, all of you. We want to find a and b. A and b are unknowns. So to find a and b, what we are going to do? We can use the method of equating the coefficients. Okay, we use the method of equating the coefficients. So you equate coefficients of x. When we equate coefficients of x, look at here in LHS, what is the coefficient of x? It is 1 equal to, here it is 2a. Therefore, a will be equivalent to 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. Is it okay? We equate the coefficient of x. Next step, you equate the constant terms. Equating the constant terms. When you equate the constant terms, what you will get? Constant terms here. In LHS, do we have x a constant term?
No.
No. So we can write this as 0 is equal to here a plus b. So therefore, what is b? B is equal to negative a. So b will be equivalent to minus 1 by 2. Once you find this a and b, substitute this in equation 1, I. Substitute therefore I. So I is equal to, listen, I is equal to integral of, instead of the numerator, listen children, instead of the numerator, here we have this form. Numerator can be written as numerator x is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. A and b we have calculated. So I, how we are writing this? Instead of dx, we can write this as a. A is half into 2x plus 1 plus b. B is minus half by x square plus x plus 1. Hereafter, don't write. First listen. Afterwards, you can write. First listen, all of you. Listen. Once you understand this method, it is easy. The method is same for all the questions. Okay. So first, whenever the question is given in the form linear by quadratic or linear by root of quadratic, method is same. Linear by quadratic or linear by root of quadratic, what is the method? Numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. Okay, we take only the quadratic. The root is there, means we will not take root, only those function within the root. Numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. The next step, what we do? We equate. We use the method of equating the coefficients. When we equate the coefficient of x, we get a as 1 by 2, and by equating the constant terms, we get b as minus 1 by 2. Once we get this a and b, substitute in I. I is equal to, instead of writing the numerator, we write the whole thing. A is 1 by 2 into 2x plus 1 plus b. What is b here? Minus half by x square plus x plus 1. Now, we can split this into two integrals. Integral of half is constant, we are taking outside, 2x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 1 minus, plus into minus, it will become minus, half into integral of 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Is it okay? Is it clear? Up to that, is it okay? What we did here, we are splitting it into two terms. This is the first term, this is the second term. So we are splitting that given function I into two parts. Up to this, is it okay? Rijas, Gayatri? Yes, ma'am. Now look at the first term. Look at the first term. Don't write first, listen. Listen, children. Copying part, we can do it afterwards. First, you understand this part. It's simply, okay, it's simply copying in notebook. It is, okay, there is no use. If you understand it only, it is, okay. Now listen, look at the first part. In first part, surely you will get the derivative of denominator in the numerator. Is it like that? Check it. What is the derivative of denominator? X square plus 2x plus 1. X square, if you differentiate 2x, I think 2x. I think here it is not 2x, it is x
plus
only.
1.
It is x only. X plus 1. Is it like this? Whether the derivative of denominator is in the numerator? And what is the formula we have learned? One formula we have learned. What is the formula? Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx. Whenever the derivative of denominator is in the numerator, it is log of the denominator plus c. Derivative of denominator is in the numerator means while integration, whenever the derivative of denominator is in the numerator, we can write this as log of the denominator plus c. So look at here. Here it is. The derivative of denominator is in the numerator. So we can write this as I is equal to half into log of the denominator. X square plus x plus 1. Minus half into, we name the second part as I1. We have to find I1 separately. Okay. So okay, that integral, we are splitting that into two parts. And when you split that into two parts, the first one, surely it will be the derivative of the denominator. Name this as equation 2. Now you take I1. What is I1? Integral of 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Can you identify the type? Which form it is? It is in the form? What is the form here? Look at I1. It is of the form? Is it of the form? 1 by quadratic. Is or no? Is it in the form dx by quadratic? So in that case, what is the method we learned? We take the quadratic equation. Make the coefficient of x square as 1. Already it is 1. The next step, we add and subtract half the coefficient of x, the whole square. What is the coefficient of x here? It is 1. So half of it means plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1. Now if we take the first three terms, we can write this as x square means we write x, 1 by 2 the whole square means it is 1 by 2. Middle we have plus, so it is x plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So this is same as x plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 by 4 means it is 3 by 4. So we can write this as x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. Therefore, I1 takes the form, I1 is integral of 1 by x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. So it takes the form integral of 1 by x square plus a square. Integral of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula? Integral of 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. X plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So that is 2 by root 3 tan inverse of, if you take the LCM and simplify, it is 2x plus 1 by root 3. So this is I1. Once you find this I1, substitute in equation 2. Substitute this in equation 2. Substituting in equation 2, I is equal to, what is I? I is half log x square plus x plus 1 minus 1 by 2. I think it is minus 1 by 2. Isn't it? Minus 1 by 2 I1. So I1 now we have calculated into 2 by root 3 tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus c. 2 will get cancelled. So it is half log x square plus x plus 1 minus 1 by root 3 tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus c. Okay, log mod. Is the method okay? Okay, so which method we are integrating now? What is the, which type of question we are doing now? What is the method? Which form of integrals we are integrating? It is of the form
Linear by quadratic.
linear by quadratic. Whether it is linear by quadratic or linear by root of quadratic. In both the cases, linear by quadratic or linear by root of quadratic. In both the cases, the method is same. Okay. So what is the method? Numerator is a into derivative of denominator plus b. We equate the coefficients. We equate the coefficients and then we integrate. After finding a and b, we simplify that given integral into two parts and then we integrate.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you cancel the small tan?
small.
No, ma'am, like there is a small box, right?
This type of question is very important question. This model is a repeated 5-mark question. If you look in your book, one more model is there. That is in the supplementary part. That is deleted. Linear into quadratic and linear into root of quadratic. It is deleted. But this part is included. Linear by quadratic is there. Linear by quadratic, linear by root of quadratic.
Ma'am, can you show the final equation?
Wait, let them complete up to this. Okay, up to this, is it over? Krishna Chandran?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, Michael?
No, I can't see it.
You can't see.
Just scroll it a bit more down.
Little bit down. Okay. Okay.
Finish the final answer.
Huh? Huh. Up to this, is it over? Others? Huh? Emmanuel? Okay. Finished? Hmm? Is it over, Ashwin?
Yes, ma'am.
Achud?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we do the next one? Similar method? Huh? The next question onwards, you do it along with me. Okay? Because it's a lengthy question. You do it along with me. Hmm? Side by side. Okay? Hmm. So write the next one. Integral of 2x minus 3. Integral of 2x minus 3 by 2x minus 3 by x square plus 3x minus 18 into dx. 2x minus 3 by x square minus x into dx. 2x minus 3 by x square plus 3x minus 18 into dx. How to do this? What is the method we learned? Numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. Okay? Is it okay? I'm not writing the step A is numerator is and all. We have, okay, say this 3 or 4 times. Numerator is A into derivative of denominator plus B. Now equating the coefficients. Equating coefficient of x. What you will get? When you equate coefficient of x, we get 2 is equal to 2a. Therefore, a is 1. Next step, you equate constant terms. When you equate constant term, here we have minus 3 is equal to, yes,
Can you explain again, ma'am? Like, 2 is equal to 2a. How did we get it?
you get the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? In LHS, we have 2. What about in RHS? A is common for the whole term, is it no? Like the previous question, what we did? What is the coefficient of x here? Is it 2a? Is it okay? So we get a 2 will get cancelled and we get a as 1. Next we are equating the constant term. Constant term is with terms without x. So we get minus 3 is equal to here 3a plus b. A is 1. So minus 3 is equal to 3 into 1 plus b. Therefore, what is the value of b? B is minus 6. Is it correct? Sri Hari?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, okay, substitute in I. I is equal to, instead of numerator, look at that, 2x minus 3. Instead of this numerator, we can write like this. A is 1. 1 into 2x plus 3 plus b. What is b here? Minus 6 by x square plus 3x minus 18 into dx. Is it okay? Emmanuel? Michael? Achut?
Yes, ma'am.
Achut, is it clear? Is it okay? Numerator is a into derivative of denominator plus b. After finding a and b, we substitute in the numerator. Numerator place we can replace with a into 2x plus 3 plus b. Now, Rin, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can split this into two integrals. 2x plus 3 by x square plus 3x minus 18 minus 6 into integral of 1 by x square plus 3x minus 18 into dx. Now look at the first term. If you look at the first term, first function, whether the derivative of denominator is in the numerator, we should get in that form. If we are not getting some mistake, we are done. So here it is in that form. Therefore, what you can write? Log of the denominator, x square plus 3x minus 18 minus 6 into, in name this as I1. Okay, name this as equation 2. Now we have to find I1. I1 already we have learned this method. Which one? Quadratic form and all we have learned. Okay, minus 6 into I1. So you start with I1. What is I1? Integral of 1 by x square plus 3x minus 18. So you take the quadratic function alone. X square plus 3x minus 18. Coefficient of x square is 1. Now half the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 3. So half of it means plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 18. From the first 3 terms, we can write this as x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 9 by 4 minus 18 minus 9 by 4 minus 18. Is it okay, Nandana? Sania?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Now next step, we take the LCM for the constant term. Minus, here I am taking this as 4. So what is 18 into 4? So it's 72 plus 9. Okay, check this children. Okay, don't copy it as such. So we can write this as x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 81 by 4. So which is same as x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 9 by 2 the whole square. This is the denominator. Is it correct, Gayatri? Punya? Shivani? Is it okay, Shivani? 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 Now look at here. When you substitute for I1, I1 will become 1 by x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 9 by 2 the whole square into dx. It takes the form 1 by x square minus a square. What is 1 by x square minus a square? 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a, isn't it? 1 by 2a log of 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. X minus a by x plus a. So when you substitute this, 2 will get cancelled. 1 by 9 log of, here I am taking the common LCM, 2x minus 6 by 2x plus 12. Is it correct? 2x minus 6 by 2x plus 12. Okay? Or what you can do, if you want, you can take the LCM and do it step by step. Okay? So it is same as log x minus 3 by x plus 6. This is I1. This is I1. Now substitute this in equation 2. Substituting in equation 2, I is equal to log of x square plus 3x minus 18 plus 1 by 6. I think then 1 by 6 or is there minus 6. Okay. Minus 6 is there. So you substitute then minus 6 by 9. Minus 6 into 1 by 9 into log of x minus 3 by x plus 6 plus c. If you cancel, this will become 2 by 3. So I is equal to log of x square plus 3x minus 18 minus 2 by 3 into log of x minus 3 by x plus 6 plus c.
Now,
Yes.
like whenever we're taking
Yes.
like x square kind of things, right?
X square.
No, ma'am. Now we did for I1, right?
Ah,
We got
minus
ma'am, 80. We had minus 81 by 4, right?
81. 1 second. Yes.
I'm like, we are just assuming to be 9 by 2. Or, like it can also be minus 9 by 2 whole square, right?
Here it is minus. Okay. It is minus 8. I can't,
No,
what do you?
ma'am, we had negative 9 minus 72 by 4. We got this minus 81 by 4.
Yes.
So, like for making it whole square, we made it as 9 by 2 whole square, right?
Yes. 81 by 4. How we can write? We can write this as 9 by 2 the whole square.
No, ma'am, it can be also minus 9 by 4.
Yes, it can be, but we do it only for positive value here. Already it is a lengthy one, and if you take for the other case, it will become again more lengthy. So we take only the positive value rate, positive root only we take here. Okay.
Yeah.
Now is it okay? You all completed this one? Ashwin, Gayatri, Aryan. Okay, now let's do the next model, right? The next one. That is next model means linear by root of quadratic. Till now we did without the root. As I know, these two questions are without the root. Method is same. Right, the next one. Integral of 2x plus 3. Integral of 2x plus 3 by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. Here, only one change it will have is, listen, here we will be having a function like this, f dash of x by f of x within the root. Denominator will be within the root. In the previous case, we had f dash of x by f of x. Here, f dash of x by root of f of x. That means the derivative of denominator is in numerator, but the derivative is within the root. For example, in this form, 1 by root x into dx. What is the answer? Integral of 1 by root x into dx. The derivative of root x is 1, isn't it? In this case, how we integrated? It is x raised to minus half into dx, isn't it? When we integrate this, it will become x raised to minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. So it will become x raised to half by minus half plus 1 means it will become 1 by 2. So it will be 2 root x plus c. Is that not? Integral of 1 by root x will be 2 root x. Same way here, integral of f dash of x by root of f of x into dx means we can write this as 2 into root of f of x plus c. Note down this formula. Derivative of denominator is in the numerator, but the derivative is within the root. If the, okay, sorry, not derivative. The function is within the root means answer is 2 into root of f of x plus c. Okay. Derivative of the denominator is in the numerator, but in the denominator, the function is within the root means what is the answer you can write? 2 into root of f of x plus c. Otherwise, okay, actually we are getting this by using substitution method. You put f of x as t. So f dash of x into dx will become dt. By this method only we get. If we know the formula, we can reduce that steps and we can write. Otherwise, again, we have to write the lengthy steps. 1 or 2, few more steps we have to write. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. Derivative of denominator is in the numerator means what is the formula? log of denominator. Now the derivative of denominator is in the numerator, but the function is in the denominator within the root means, what is it? 2 into root of f of x plus c. 2 into root of f of x plus c. Note down this formula in your formula booklet. Not only here for this board exam. When you go for entrance exam and all, you will not be able to do all the steps. Only this points only you will be remembering and you will be doing the questions. Okay. Now look at this question. Integral of 2x plus 3 by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. Method is same. Linear by quadratic, linear by root of quadratic, everywhere method is same. What is the method? Numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator. Don't take root, without the root, only the quadratic, derivative of quadratic function. So it is 2x plus 4 plus b. Numerator is a into derivative of the denominator. Denominator means only the quadratic function you consider, plus b. Now equate coefficients of x. When you equate coefficient of x, what you will get? 2 is equal to 2a. Therefore, a will be 1. Now equate the constant terms. When you equate the constant terms, 3 is equal to 4a plus b. A is 1. 3 is equal to 4 plus b. Therefore, b is minus 1. Is it okay? Is it clear up to this? Krishna Chandran, Michael? For quadratic function, how we do? The same thing only for root of quadratic. Although it is within the root, method is same. Numerator is a into derivative of the denominator, quadratic function, plus b. Next step, you equate the coefficient of x and find out what is a, what is b. And name this as equation 1. Therefore, I will become integral of, instead of the numerator 2x plus 3, we can write like this. A into, the value of a is 1. 1 into 2x plus 4 plus b. B is minus 1 by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. Okay, so now we can split this into two integrals. We can split this into integral of 2x plus 4 by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 minus integral of 1 by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. Now look at the first part. Look at the first part, whether the derivative of denominator is in numerator. What is derivative of x square? 2x plus 4x. If you differentiate, it is 4. But the derivative, look at the function here in the denominator. It is within the root. Here, by integrating, what you will get? 2 into root of. 2 into root of that denominator function. Minus, you name this as I1. This is I1. Now take the I1 separately. What is I1? Take I1 separately. What is I1? I1 is integral of 1 by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. So you take the function x square plus 4x plus 1. So x square plus 4x, coefficient of x is 4, half of it is 2 plus 2 square minus 2 square plus 1. So taking the first three terms, we can write this as x plus 2 the whole square minus 1. 1 means we can write this as 1 square. Therefore, I1 will be integral of 1 by root of x plus 2 the whole square minus 1 square. Root of x square minus a square. So it is same as integral of root of x square minus a square, which is same as log of x plus log of x plus root of x square plus a square. X plus 2 the whole square minus 1 square. So this is I1. Substitute in equation 2. So substitute this in equation 2, we'll get the answer. Substituting in 2, we'll get the answer. Okay. Try to do similar questions again, children. Okay, try to do similar questions once again. Okay, complete this one. Okay. Okay, children. With this, we end the session now. Complete this question. We'll next class we can do one more question in this mode. We'll be doing. Okay. Thank you.